years since its inception, the Make in India initiative has finally picked up pace, but I feel it still has a long way to go. Seeing the current market trend where the industrial output has been the lowest in 4 years, or the increase in inflation to 6%, or even a decrease in FDI, I think the Make in India initiative needs to be pushed further and help in India earning its Sone Ki Chiriya title. The Make in India initiative should provide a framework for the 25 industrial sectors in making them globally competent through best-in-class manufacturing facilities and through collaborative approach. We, being the world's largest democracy, should now aim to become the world's largest economy. Well, for this, you need to visit XIME, and hence we welcome you all in January.
The Make in India initiative targets 25 sectors of the Indian economy. This initiative has helped ease foreign investments, management, and intellectual property. India presently ranks 63rd on World Bank's Ease of Doing Business Index, and our aim is to achieve the 50th rank in the near future. This is sure to bring about tremendous development in our economy, impacting the lives of 1.3 billion Indians. Come join us in XIME Bangalore to be a part of this vibrant discussion. Hope to see you in January 2020.
Make in India is not just a movement, but it's a strategy and a long-term vision in itself, covering 25 sectors across the economy. Our Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi, launched this program with an initiative of encouraging companies to open their manufacturing units in India and also to encourage investments in manufacturing sector. We at XIME are organizing a 2-day seminar on Make in India, so let's all come together and become a part of this transformational journey and rebuild our nation into an economic superpower.
The Make in India initiative is based on 4 strong pillars to boost entrepreneurship: new processes, new infrastructure, new sectors, and ultimately a new mindset. It fosters innovation, enhances skill development, and feeds the fire of our young and ambitious entrepreneurs that are spread across various industries, which shows our inclination to inclusiveness. We have the skill, we have the talent, we have the discipline, but most importantly, we have the desire to do something. So in keeping with the core values of our college, the E in XIME, we extend our hand of support to this Make in India initiative by hosting the national seminar in January 2020, for which we welcome you all.